2008 Toyota Sequoia, 5.7 liter, changing PCV valve, which is right there. I had to pull some foam out, take the beauty cover off. Used extension and a 22mm socket. Once I had it broke free with the ratchet, I just pulled the ratchet off it, put the extension on it, backed it out by hand. Came out real easy. Tons of sludge. Really not making any noise when I shake it, which my understanding is means it's bad. All I removed was this one hose to get out of the way and ripped out some foam. And now I'm going to reinstall new PCV valve, nice and clicky and clean. I'm going to put it right in here. Sorry for the poor video quality. And I'm looking to just feed this in by hand. Get it started. And just barely gonna tighten it. I'm tighten it mostly by hand here. And it's snug right there. I'm gonna go ahead and slap the ratchet on it and give it just a little bit of love. That's it. That's all I'm doing. We're going to put this hose back on, like so, down there, and up here, reconnect that hose to there, slap that bad boy on, and hopefully have less sludge under the cap, better ventilation, maybe quiet the timing chain tensioner down a little bit, who knows, but that's how you do it. Good luck.